What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Another week, another video, another CRV video. Part 1 of part 2. Part 1 of part 2. So I say part 1 of part 2 because I have to do this in this video to do the second video, which the second video I'm going to be wrapping the headlights. Right now I don't have the extra funds to buy the black housing headlights. 350 bucks. I'm not about to spend that at this time of the year. It's just not gonna happen. So the next best thing is wrapping them. Light smoked, like a nice little black tint to them. Nothing crazy, because obviously you want the light to shine through. So my headlights are beat up. I'm gonna open the garage in a minute. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna use the Simonized kit that I have, that I've used on the EL all summer and various other cars, like some of my friends' cars, and it does a great job polishing up the headlights. But if you guys have CRVs, you guys know how bad they oxidize. So I have to clear them up first, so that way when they do come in the mail, I can wrap them. Now, if you guys can see this part right here, a lot of these like clear coat pieces are not gonna be fixed with sanding them, unfortunately. So you're always gonna have like this cloudiness, but this yellowness, that's what we're working on getting rid of today. Getting rid of the yellowness on this headlight and this headlight. Clean them up as best as we can. As you can see, this one's already pitted. Like, not much we can really do, but tinting them after will give them an overall better look. Even polishing them up will make them look 10 times better. So that's the task at hand right now. Oh, damn freaking lighting. That's gonna be the task at hand. We're gonna polish these up so that way when the tint comes in the mail, me and David are gonna tint them. He's done the TLX headlights, taillights. He's done quite a bit of stuff, so he's familiar with the Vivid Racing stuff. I got him like for $5 on Amazon. It's amazing. Amazon's so cheap. So we're gonna do that. I also got headlight wrap for the EL. It's gonna look fire, guys. So I'm gonna start taping up these headlights, and then we're gonna go to town. Alright, boys, so this kit comes with your 1000, 2000, 3000 sanding pads, the polisher, and the sealant. Also the pad that goes on your drill, so you can speed polish. Then you hand sand. This just sticks on like so, you know what I mean? And then this is for the sealant. So it's a nice little kit. You guys can find it at your Advance if you guys are in the States, or in Canadian Tire if you're here in Canada. So I just gotta go fill up my spray bottle with some fresh water, and then we're good to go. Alright, boys, so spray generously, keep sanding, do not rush the process. Take your time with each stage sanding pad for your best results. Like I said, because the clear has dissolved in some spots on the headlights, I won't be able to get rid of that, but when I do get the headlight wrap, you won't really notice it. And I said it's gonna be temporary, because down the road, maybe in the new season, I'll probably upgrade the headlights to the black housing, but I want to get the black housing without the amber, which is very, very hard to find, but I'm pretty sure I'll come across it. So I'm going to set the camera down, put a nice beat on for you guys, and we're going to time lapse this. Alright guys, so step 1, 2, and 3 is done. As you can see, there's already a big notable difference. But like I told you guys, you see how the clear coat peeled? You can catch, I don't know if the camera catches it that well. But now you're ready for stage 4, which is this with the polisher. Make sure you guys shake this thing up really good. Make sure you grab your drill. You're gonna need your drill. Whoa, yeah, definitely gonna need your drill so you can high speed polish it. I usually do 2-3 times to get the best out of it, and then we seal it. It's an easy fix, but you're gonna have to do it yearly. That's why the headlight wrap will help protect it against the UV rays, so it'll last a little bit longer. But yeah, like this kit, I've used 3 different kits already, and so far this is the best one. We haven't polished it yet, but you can see a notable difference already, as you guys can see from the passenger to the driver. Now we're just ready to polish this bad boy. Alright boys, I hope you guys can see the big difference already. The headlights are shiny. I was trying to get the maximum buff out of here, but these headlights are way too beat up. This is as good as we're gonna get them. You can see all the clear coat still here, all the fine scratches from, I guess, the previous owner. But from afar, or not even up close, they look so much better, like almost brand new. Once I put the sealant on, remove the tape, and then we'll jump on this one. I won't bother recording this side since I showed you guys that side, and then we'll show you the full thing of them both complete. But you can already see a sizable difference. Like, look how crusty these headlights look, and then look how much better this one has just became. Proper. Yep, the V is gonna look phenomenal once we get the header wrap on it and everything. So it looks dope. Honestly, I'm not gonna even bore you with this part. With the sealing part, you just shake it, put a little dab just over here, and then just smear it, and then go with the microfiber cloth and just clean it off, and that'll be it. So I'll show you guys the next clip, which is both headlights completed. Alright boys, passenger side is done. As you guys can see, deep inside the lens, you got that pitting. It's not gonna come out. That's like pitting in the clear. But like I said, the laminate wrap that we're putting will protect it. But look how shiny it came. Guys, this is an affordable alternative. You guys know how it is with your CRVs. They get all yellow really fast. Like, that's like brand new quality right there. Came out beautiful. This is just step 1 out of the second step. Once we put the light smoke tint on the headlights, I think it will give it a nice look. I was also contemplating yellow. I got both coming in, so let me know in the comments below what you think would look nicer, full yellow or the light smoke. But yeah guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Small little video, more music and than anything, but at least you guys know what you're doing, the baby girl. You helping daddy?
Picture.
You taking picture?
I'm taking pictures.
Guys, I hope this video helps you guys choosing a product to polish the headlights. I've tried the Meguiar's, I've tried the Mothers. So far, I honestly really like the Simonized kit. The Simonized kit is amazing. I don't know if you guys get it in the States. I'm sure you guys do. But yeah, like, beautiful guys. Day and night difference from what they were to what they are now. Alright guys, so stay tuned to the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And we'll see you in the next one. Next one's going to be an exciting video on the Mugen EL. We're finally getting it tuned. I couldn't be more pumped for it. And we'll see what numbers we pull with the Mugen EL. And then we'll right back onto some CRV content. Like I said, smash that like, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you guys know when upload is always uploaded. I'm gonna be trying to aim for every Tuesday, like I used to. I think Tuesdays is the best time, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My daughter's just going to ham on that headlight. All right, guys, peace.